Hello dear friends. Hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Bhakti. Today I'm going to explain you about the layers of atmosphere. As we know, there are 6 layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Now why there is need of these weathers? Because of this layers of the atmosphere, we are able to survive this. As we know, now we will just study about this, and then we will get the detailed information about this layers. So here you can see one chart. So I'll give you some information about these layers. So here our earth, this is our earth on which we survive. This is the troposphere. This is the layer of troposphere. This troposphere, all weather changes occurs in this layer. Troposphere extends up to the height of 8 kilometer. And as here you can see this line that is dividing. This line is dividing this troposphere from stratosphere. Now which line is that? This particular line is known as tropopods because it is dividing stratosphere and troposphere. Now next comes in this troposphere layer there are phenomena of the weather, because most of the survival lies in troposphere, as there are so many gases. In this stratosphere there is no weather phenomena. It extends up to the height of 50 kilometer and lies above the troposphere. It is very dry zone and is free from all the kinds of weather phenomena. Straight, horizontal or undisturbed layer is present in this layer. The word strato means straight. It is the ideal zone for the air travel. As there are no clouds, that's why these aeroplanes can travel in this air. Okay, because there are no weather. There is no weather, no clouds. That's why it is easy for aeroplanes to fly. Up to the height of 20 kilometer, the temperature is constant, and after it increases with the increasing altitude. Now I want to tell you something. As we go higher and higher above the stratosphere, the temperature starts increasing. Okay, as increasing altitude. Now I want to tell you something. In this layer there is ozone layer. Ozone layer is present in this layer, and you know what is ozone layer? This is the ozone layer which helps us reduces the ultraviolet rays of the sun, and it protects us from the harmful rays. Okay, so this ozone layer is very important, and that ozone layers lies nowhere but in stratosphere. The line that separates stratosphere from mesosphere is stratopause. This stratosphere is also known as ozonosphere because ozone layer is present there. Mesosphere. Now this is bit exciting, because as we know mesosphere, in that mesosphere, as we go higher, the temperature starts increasing, and the layer lies this is the layer that lies above the stratosphere and extends up to 50 kilometer. Now I'll show you. This is the mesosphere. It lies above the stratosphere. This lies above the stratosphere. Okay, and this mesosphere, it extends up to 85 kilometer. 85 kilometer lies above the air. In this mesosphere, in this layer, the temperature decreases with the height. Again, the temperature starts decreasing as we go higher and higher. The temperature increases as faster. Okay, now next in this layer the meteors burn. Now you are just thinking that in this layer the temperature decreases, but still the meteor burns. here you can see one line. This line separates this thermosphere from mesosphere. This line separates thermosphere from mesosphere. So here you can see above this there is thermosphere. In thermosphere there is aurora. It is little bit violet bluish in color, which is very interesting to see. In this layer, ions are present. Ions. Now what are that ions? They are the electrically charged particles. Because of this ionosphere, because of these ions, we get the network. Okay, so radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer. This helps for a long distance wireless communication. As we know, Bluetooth and all, because of this mesosphere, all this is possible. Okay, why? Because this helps us for the wireless communication. Now we learned about stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere. Now it's turn to thermosphere. Now let's learn about thermosphere. Thermosphere is a layer. There is nothing much in it. No, we have learned about it. And ionosphere, it is also called as ionosphere. Yeah, this was one point. And one more thing I want to say, I would like to tell. As we know that this layer, this separate this. Just a minute. As we know that this separates the. As we know that this line separates the troposphere and stratosphere, then it is called tropospause. It separates mesosphere, stratosphere, it is called stratopause, mesopause, and this is called as ionopause. Yeah, it is called as ionopause. Interesting, isn't it? Let us learn about exosphere. There is nothing much about exosphere. I would like to tell the height of all the layers one by one. So it is 8 kilometer. The stratosphere is 50 kilometer. I will show you this in this PDF. In this here you can see the height 20 kilometer, 50, 85, 690 and 1000. But for the reference, I would like to tell that the height of this exosphere is 1600 kilometer. I would like to tell some information about exosphere, that exosphere is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. The extent of this layer is 1600 kilometer. It merges with the interplanetary space, means it merges with solar system. Yeah. Yes, my friends, it merges with solar system. This layer, exosphere, okay. So the temperature of the exosphere is very high, and it almost reached up to 4500 degrees Celsius, and the density of the air is very low. Now this was about all the atmospheric layers. Hope you like this video. If you like, hit the bell icon, like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and visit to my channel again. Bye.